Good morning, students. Welcome you all in the science class. I hope you all are doing well at your home. Today, we will start with a lesson 8, water scarcity and conservation of water. Water scarcity we have already discussed in the last video, and today we will discuss about conservation of water. What do you mean by the term conservation? Conservation means to save the water. Ways to conserve water. Ways means different methods. Conserve means save water. Different method to conserve water, different method to save water. But as we know, water is very precious for us. So we should not waste water. Water is a gift of nature for all the living beings. If we will continue to waste our water, then what will happen? One day will come when there will be no enough water to drink. So we should save water, we should conserve water. Now how we can conserve water? We will discuss now. Turn off the tap after using it. We wash our hands, we wash utensils, we wash clothes. After that, we should turn off the tap so that we can avoid wastage of water. Do not keep the tap running while brushing and washing hands. बच्चे, before brushing our teeth, we always wet our brush. Being the time, we should turn off the tap. And when we will start rinsing our mouth, then again we can on the tap so that we can avoid wastage of water. We can make proper utilization of water to avoid its wastage so that we can maintain the amount of water in its different sources. Use a bucket instead of a shower while bathing. Students love to take bath with the shower, but it will waste our water. So we should bathe with bucket and mug so that we can conserve water. Water the plants with a bucket and mug instead of a pipe. We should water the plants with the help of bucket and mug. Instead of pipe, we should not use pipe to water the plants. As we have seen that many people, they wash their car with the pipe. That is also wrong. On that way, we should use bucket and mug to water the plant as well as to wash the car. We should not use pipe to water the plants to wash the car. Then what we will use? We should use bucket and mug so that we can save water, we can avoid its over usage and wastage of water. Ways to conserve water. The next point is take only as much water in a tumbler as you want to drink. Bachche, take only that much of water in a tumbler that you can drink. Do not throw the leftover water in the sink. Then what you will do with that leftover water? You will pour it to the plants. Otherwise, you should take as much water in a tumbler as you can drink instead of wasting the water or throwing the water in the sink. Do not throw leftover water in the sink, use it for plants. As mother wash the rice, wash the vegetables, wash the pulses in the kitchen. But what we will do with the leftover water? We just use that water to water the plants, to wipe the floors at home, and you can wash the clothes with that leftover water instead of throwing that water in the sink. As we know, water is very precious and we should save water so that in future we will get proper water to